Unstoppable actually.
I am now very quiet.
She's gotten much better, but still there's a lot of work. She finally heard whatever I said today in the match, so I'm very thankful to God. I said any left-hander in the competition, if you don't get her out, I will not consider you a good obstacle. And she's done it right, so let's just keep the streak going and let's not jinx it. All this is only jinx you do. Please, what is this? Please put that bajawing thing.
No.
Yeah, please.
No.
So Malo came and told me that if the situation is something like this, you'll walk in. So I was like, okay, let me bat in the nets before I go to, in the match. So like I really prepared well, and RX sir, Malo sir, they really helped me. I really want to thank the management who believed in me actually, because this number, like I've never batted before in the WPL. So yeah, I was really happy, and just as she mentioned, like the knock was really crucial. So the conversation between me and Richa was really important at that situation. So yeah, so that gave me belief and that gave me confidence.
आई थिंक वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट अपना पार्टनरशिप था, क्योंकि हमें और ज़्यादा सेम चीज़ बात कर रहे थे कि हमें अभी एक पार्टनरशिप बनाना है बड़े, तो अपना सेम चीज़ था कि वो लोग कहते कि अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो सिंगल, अगर मिलेगा तो अपना गेम खेलेंगे, नेचुरल गेम। तो हम दोनों एक ही वो भी अच्छा शॉट खेले थे, तो मेरा प्रेशर भी कम हो रहा था। तो हम ऐसे बात कर रहे तो और अच्छा लग रहा था, क्योंकि आप जब बात करते हो तो आपका खुल के गेम आता है, नहीं तो प्रेशर ले लेते हैं हम लोग अगर बात नहीं करते। तो आई थिंक ये इम्पोर्टेंट था अपने उसमें पार्टनरशिप में कि हम बात करें एक दूसरे से।
The one you missed the full toss ball. Then he said, "Yeah, this is one I." See from here she's doing shadows. Raju, खेलना भाई अभी खेलना.
I felt like what is happening? Like I was so overwhelmed. I was so happy to just see her in the center doing what she loves to do. Because I've seen her the way she plays when she played for Baroda. She's always done so well. She's got those 100s, 50s, played those crucial knocks. To apply herself here in this given situation, it was not an easy situation to bat there. And Richa and Radha, obviously they had a lovely partnership, and which made the nerves calm down in the dugout actually. And when she got a 50, and we were all like, hope she hits a 6. Me, Aru and Sabya sir, we were standing, hope hit 6. We were literally like praying, and then she hits a 6. We were not sure whether it was a 6 or a 4, but she lifted her bat with so much confidence. And when they said 6, I literally had goosebumps. Me and Aru had goosebumps. And we were like, we were genuinely so happy. I know her inside out now, her background. I know her like from past 4-5 years now. We've got closer and closer every day. Be it my journey, whatever, last 14 months, she was there. And just so happy to see her score those runs for us.
In bowling, I think everyone stuck to their plans and executed really well. Aru started with that blinder, getting rid of Divine.
Amazing.
And then Bell setting up Gardner with that caught behind. Outstanding. And then Shrey took those 5 wickets. Shrey, you are an asset to whichever team you play. Outstanding effort. And I want to specially mention Radha about bowling those 2 tight overs in between. Well done. Overall,
I'm actually not chasing it, but I will want to wear that purple cap. But I'm just here to win this tournament, to win each and every game, just lift the trophy once again. So that's my objective. In that journey, if I end up wearing the purple cap, I'll be the happiest person.
The conditions were like really tough because of the team. Not only her, all the bowling unit, they really bowled well, but she was exceptional. Like bowling those rotational balls in the due condition. It's really difficult. Like it's high class standard. So I've got the player of the match. I'll share with her. I've told her.
Her bowling wasn't bad
I'm
either.
on-
She put the brakes.
I swear, actually those 2 overs did really help us bowling to Bharti and Kashvi at that stage when they were actually hitting the balls everywhere, especially Bharti, the way she was going, it felt like, oh my god, what's going to happen? Are they going to chase this total? Because the way she started hitting, the way she started accelerating, it was so, like, we were like under pressure, to be honest. It was like on, off, it was like a proper sequence it was going, and then the way actually she slowed down the game, she got the momentum back onto us, and I think from there the things changed. I mean, Bharti gave 2-3 couple of chances, and then I think that over actually changed as well.
So congratulations now. Get some
खाली
rest.
खाली बोल बोल करती है। कितना बात करती है यार।
You've got the
मैं पता है बीच में जोन आउट हो गई। हाँ मेरे को क्या बोलना है, फिर मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा मुझे क्या बोलना है।
Dot balls plus my fifer. My first fifer, guys. Because knowing RCB, we are very much capable of doing anything possible, but we are really happy, genuinely happy that we got 3 in a row and beating GG when they were actually doing very well in the tournament. So far they've done really well, their batting lineup, the way they've played their cricket, be it the domestic players or the internationals. They've played in different situations now. They've got those wins which we didn't expect. So we're really happy that we got our 3rd win against GG, and we love to keep the streak going ahead.